this video we will make a quick look at the Blackboard shell. So I will explain all the folders that we have in there. So we start here. The landing page is actually learning materials. So you will find here in learning materials many folders. The first one is lectures. In this folder you will find all the videos for this course. Labs, you will find all the labs videos or the summaries for the labs, because I am not able to record lab sessions. It's not permitted since I will need the student's permission. I will upload some summaries in here. Here also we have lecture slides. As usual, you will find the slides week by week in there. Also we have the lab handbook. Let me open this window a little bit, so you will have the lab handbook for this year here. I'm going to amend some sessions, but that is going to be on the go, because obviously these amendments are more like refinements that I need to write on this new lab handbook for this year. So here is opening. It's taking a while. Meanwhile it opens, I would like to say as well that we have here this icon manual, which is the Refinitiv manual. So you are going to have a license for Refinitiv. So this advanced user manual is going to help you in order to get to know more or less what is Refinitiv. Right, so this is the lab handbook that it was opening. So as you can see here, this lab handbook has all the activities that you need to perform. There are activities that need to be done on a computer. So I will be passing by your desks, responding to your questions and helping you in the tasks that are at hand. I hope that you are going to find this interesting, because they are going to develop your skills in R and in Refinitiv, which are two important softwares to put in your CVs. Right, so apart from these learning materials, we also have the data sets. So many data sets that we use in this course. There might be other ones, but I will be uploading them there if they are not in there. I will upload a different format if needed. Also, we have here are scripts. So the scripts that we are going to use during this course are in here as well. So I have scripts for many of the forecast methods that we have used here. So you can use them as a template for your own purposes, for your presentation, or for your last assessment. Online preparation for your assessment. In this folder we have hot links. I think you already know the hot links. They have a lot of information about sources where you are able to find economic information, right? So we are going to cover some of them, but not all. And also in this folder, the folder online preparation for you have the presentation support. Here you will find my channel in YouTube, in which I have a step-by-step video about a list of videos about how to use R, for instance, and then how to plot, and then how to make partitions, and then how to make all the forecasts that we are going to be using in this module. So this is going to be very handy for your presentations. Apart from my YouTube channel, that you are also invited to subscribe if you want, so you will get all the information that I upload in there. You will be able to use here further support for your presentations, which are videos about using certain tasks, for instance, external information or models with trend, seasonality, uploading files in R, and plotting in R. And finally, we have this folder called previous exams. I have not uploaded my previous paper yet because it is still being used in a different country at the moment that is taking this course. So I think we are going to upload that paper later on in this year, academic year, and it's going to be very important because the format is going to be pretty much the same. You will need to answer one essay questions, 1 out of 4. Okay, apart from these learning materials, we have the announcements, so you will find the announcements, you know how it is. You have my staff contacts in here. My office hours are Mondays 3 to 4 p.m. and Tuesdays 4 to 5 p.m. And I will book a different time if required. Here we have the resource list. First of all, the module information link. This link has the module handbook and the picture of the main handbook. Also, we have here the resource list. Yes, you will find here the same textbook but from the library, so you will be able to see this and the secondary textbook that is about cost-benefit analysis. So I think we will wait for the librarian to upload this or to update this link. I think they are already doing that. And finally, some student guidelines and web links. I think these two links are probably not needed. You can review them, but I have the hot links that I showed you before. They are here, and these student guidelines, they are being uploaded at the Student Advice Center. Okay, so that is pretty much in terms of Blackboard. So in the next videos, we will present a short introduction to R and to Refinitiv.